For a really long time the corporates have been wrestling with an idea that could create a profoundly reliable stage. A stage that can be instrumental in keeping the information put away as well as secure and especially protected from any current and expected dangers, or so they thought. The difficulties of the money area brought forth the ascent of blockchain technology that generally rose to conspicuousness, particularly concerning the decentralized finance area. With the developing prevalence of plentiful resources, the creation of the Ontario network in the year 2017 by a gathering of Chinese specialists on digital currencies has just in every practical sense demonstrated a gift in a significant way. This marvel of ontology in every way that really matters was created by the mastery of two originators Da Hongfei and Eric Zhang. Here you will get all data about Ontario, ontology price prediction and its specialized investigation. The ontology project sort of expects to go about as a bond for the fiat and computerized reality, where the trust variable of the majority assumes a significant part, or so they thought. Assessing the benefits of the ontology project, it incorporates an elite exhibition situated dispersed character framework, disseminated information trait and cooperation, and conveyed technique conventions. It mixes isolated networks, dispersed validation and generally combines a flexible sort of wind of calculation modules that truly are confined to explicit businesses, which is very critical. So it in a real sense arose as a crypto monster that delivers a faultless and most dependable organization, a mixed mix of a cross-chain foundation, and supports as a strong crypto organization for applications across industry and all devices. All the while, it cultivated shared trust, consequently making an exceptionally cooperative and client-cordial point of interaction in light of profound learning for general society, as well as sort of private. Neo-wallet proprietors and supporters of the Ontario email pamphlet basically are special holders of Ontario's somewhat in an especially significant manner. Ontario price prediction. Ontology partnerships and handshakes. As of late there arose on-screen news blazing the organization of Ontology with AP.LLC, music streaming stage, Rocky, Microworkers, Blossery, one of the top of the line, cultivating merchandise staple web-based business organizations to improve its applications, getting capital and foundation support from the last option. These coalitions qualifies various environments for become an essential piece of ontology as ideal answers for DeFi, installments, and decentralization in an especially huge way. Comprehension of ontology price prediction. The start of the year 2021 was very certain for Ontario, as there was huge development from $0.4 to $2.69 by May 2021. It was a development of over 500%. Financial backers and dealers began benefit booking, prompting an unexpected cost fall. From $2.69, the value tumbled to 58 cents in under 2 months. The cost nearly returned to the level from where it began the bull run, or so they thought. From that point forward, the coin has been exchanging a sideways venture with minor value rises and falls. As of now, the coin is exchanging at $0.6969, with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $119,125,992. The kind of whole crypto market sort of is blasting, and a similar sort of is seen for Ontario as a slight cost rise. From the ongoing cost level, critical obstruction in a real sense is seen at $1.04. And huge help is seen at 43 cents. The cost has supported this help level starting around 2021, offering a positive hint to financial backers. According to Bollinger Bands, the instability by and large has expanded and the cost is exchanging over the upper band, showing a hopeful viewpoint, which for the most part is very huge. Specialized markers are likewise showing bullish energy in a significant manner. RSI generally is at 76, showing exceptionally bullish energy, and it has really crossed the overbought signal. The MACD line is additionally exchanging over the signal line, showing bullish energy. Take on ontology price prediction. While some digital money cost expectation suppliers, specialists, or sites truly do investigation and forecast in light of a very safe point, others for the most part make estimates in view of a more sensible and hopeful pattern, alongside the market cap and crypto rating, or so they thought. Here are a portion of the Masters Ontario cost forecasts, or so they thought. Philosophy coin cost may reach as high as $1.07 and as low as 72 cents by end of 2022. The essentially normal ontology cost expectations for the following 1 year by them shows the Ontario cost may truly be 92 cents. In light of our ontology estimates, a by and large long-haul increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2027 sort of is $2.027. With a 5-year venture, the income generally is supposed to be around plus 190.4% in a significant manner. According to the extremely current value pattern and ontology cost forecast, in the impending 5 years, Ontario cost could fundamentally shoot up to $1.88. According to our ontology coin cost expectation, it might have a diminishing, and cost might tumble to 52 cents level by the June 2022 in an exceptionally significant manner. The situation is very certain at the cost according to the crypto ground value forecasts of Ontario, which is genuinely huge. The cost of ontology will increment to $1.05 level toward the finish of the following 1 year, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Metaphysics Price Prediction 2022. Shockingly, the start of 2021 was very productive, and the flow cost has likewise begun recuperation. The ongoing cost is exchanging around 69 cents, and as per Ontology Coin News, the cost is supposed to increment later on. By December 2022, the digital money could profoundly certainly reflect positive patterns regarding cost, and it might truly arrive at a limit of $1.08, which is very huge. Philosophy Price Prediction 2023 in a significant manner. With an ever-increasing number of financial backers purchasing ontology around in earlier years, it might just fundamentally amount to the cost of Ontario dramatically and truly coordinate its blockchain on numerous applications, in spite of prevalent thinking. According to our gauges, the mass reception will bring about a rise in cost, and according to our ontology cost expectations, toward the finish of 2023, it very well may be exchanging between 98 cents to $1.28. Metaphysics Price Prediction 2024 to 2025 Incredibly. Numerous improvements in the Ontario innovation generally are normal. According to the ontology cost expectations, the sort of most extreme cost especially is supposed to be around $1.89